Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I have brought you the best 6 to 7 settings by which you can unlock the Windows 11 best performance on your PC or laptop. So let's start without wasting our time. Now the first setting is storage sense setting. First you need to go to setting, then you need to go here, and once you go here you just need to click on setting options here. Then you need to go to storage, and inside the storage setting, when you click on this option storage send, so you need to make sure that this setting is enabled on your system. This will automatically delete the temp files and preface files from your PC and will give you the best result. Also delete my recycle bin if you have been there for. Default is 30 but you can choose according to your choice. Once you delete the item from your PC, it will go to bin, and thereafter by default it will be deleted from the bin after 30 days. So this setting you need to enable and keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. Make sure this setting is enabled on your Windows. Additionally, you can delete the temporary files from here. Just need to untick this option, download one, otherwise downloaded will be deleted from your PC, and rest of the options you can tick, and simply you can remove the file from your system like this. So this is the first setting. Now let's move on to the next setting is disable notification, unused notification while you are using the home PC. So you can disable these settings on your Windows. Go to start menu, then click on settings again, go to setting or system option, then go to notifications, and under the notification just click that option, allow notification to play the sound, show notification to lock a screen. So you can disable your notification if that is not required on your PC like this. Additionally, just scroll down and you can see you can additionally, if you turn it on, you can disable these options step by step. Now go to additional settings here and get tips and suggestion while using. Just untick this option, suggest way to get the most. You can also disable this, show the Windows welcome screen after updates when sign in with is new suggest. Just untick these options and this as well. So this is the setting number 2. Now let's move on to the third number setting. This is power mode setting. Oh, you need to type here edit power plan, and you should able to see this option. And once you see this option, you need to go to power options, and from the power options, if you are using the laptop, so balance is recommended or your system, but if you are using the PC, so just choose the higher performance or the highest performance, and turn off display, choose the never options, and you will see the huge performance and huge difference in your performance in your Windows. So this is the step number 3 you need to enable accordingly. Now let's move on to the fourth setting. Now disable startup apps. This is also most important part. Just you need to right click on your task bar, then click on task manager. Just go to startup apps and disable all the startup apps, which I have already done that. Since once you launch your Windows, I mean restart your Windows, these application runs automatically in the background. So make sure you disable these apps if it is enabled like this. Only leave the this security health one, that is the notification, and it runs to scan the system. So make sure you enable this option. Other than you can disable all of them from here. Now let's move on to the setting number 5. This is adjust your PC for best performance. Simply open the run command, and once you open the run command, you need to type for sysdm.cpl. Go to advanced, go to performance and click on setting. Now in your this PC, this is by default tick. Let Windows choose what is the best for my computer. Choose this option, adjust for best performance, or choose the custom one. Let's choose this one, adjust for best performance. And now you need to enable some of the options here. Show Windows content, sh show thumbnail while instead of icons. Choose this option, and also save taskbar thumbnail previews, smooth edges and fonts. Choose this option, and rest of the other things you can leave untick. Just click on apply and then click on OK, and then click on OK, and you will see your system is running faster than, since we have disabled some animation on our Windows 11. So this is the step number 5. Now let's move on to the step number 6. Remove unused app from your PC. Go to add and remove program, and once you see your screen like this, go to apps one by one and remove the application which you don't use. Microsoft Copilot, I don't use it. You can simply remove it like this. Xbox, I also don't use this. Xbox Live. So basically you need to remove the apps which you don't use on your PC. So this is the step number 6. Now the step number 7 is to make a bat file, and you need to run these command. This will restore the image, and this will fix the Windows corruption on your Windows. Just you need to copy and paste from my description box. Copy this and right click, go to new, make a simply text, just double click on that and paste this value, save as, choose the location, performance, once dot bat. This is very important, you need to just make it as bat and click on save. Once you save it, you can simply run this, double click, or you can right click on this bat and run it as admin, and you will see this will repair your Windows corruption as well as the image if any. This process will take some time, but you need to wait, and after applying all the methods you have to restart your Windows, and you will see your system Windows 11 is running faster and smoother. Also, if you don't have the hardware on your Windows like RAM, make sure you have sufficient RAM on your Windows, and if RAM utilization is going up, I mean the 95% and higher than that, you have to increase the RAM on your system. Or if you don't use the SSD on your system, you have to upgrade with your system using the SSD. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.